Here I have this vacuum cleaner. It's a Hoover, made by Hoover, and it doesn't have power. And looking at this cable, looks like, I don't know if it's a loose connection or what. I'll be plugging it in and seeing if it works. So I plugged it in. Gonna be patching up this wire here. They do have some screws, so I'll just be unscrewing this and then seeing if I can put some heat shrink wrap on that back connection there. So since this wire is not broken, what I'm going to do is put some electrical tape around it because it is damaged. So we'll just put some electrical tape around it here, just so those wires aren't bare. And it was breaking at that joint there, so I did remove the screws, and you can kind of see in there, but so this has a button here. And then I'll put this rubber in place and then reattach. Okay, and now put the main shaft back in. Alright. And then we'll just put the case back on here. And so that's how to fix the plug. Put it back and did some taping in there. It's good as new.